Grande Bistro. Do you have a reservation with us tonight?
Yes, under the name Smith for two.
Ah, yes. Mrs. Smith. Right this way, ma'am. Let me guide you to your table. Here we are. Please have a seat.
Thank you. This is a lovely spot.
Allow me, ma'am. Here is our menu for this evening. And our beverage list. Our chef special tonight is a pan-seared Chilean sea bass. May I pour you some chilled water while you look the menu?
Yes, water would be great and the Siba sounds delicious.
Excellent. I will give you a few moments. Are you ready to order? Or do you have a questions about the menu?
I'll try the chef's special sea bass in a glass of the house white wine.
A fantastic choice, miss. That is a Chilean sea bass, paired with our house Sauvignon Blanc. I will place that order with the kitchen. For you, ma'am, the pan-seared chulay on sea bass. Please enjoy your meal.
This is perfectly cooked.
Is everything prepared to your liking?
Yes, it's wonderful.
May I clear this plate for you?
Yes, thank you.
Whenever you are ready, ma'am, no rush at all.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Here is your receipt and card. If you could just sign at the bottom.
There you are.
Thank you so much for dining with us tonight, Mrs. Smith. It was an absolute pleasure having you.
Thank you. The service was excellent.
Have a wonderful evening, and we hope to see you again soon.